Hi, I'm Mary.
And I'm Carla.
And we're the Smiley Twins. And we are on here to tell everyone they have to come to the Owner Summit next year in 2024. We have just had the most amazing experience, and we have so many reasons why we want to tell everybody about the Owner Summit, from the masterclass, the education, the connection with other owners, and it's just been such an amazing experience for us.
People always ask, is there a conference that's worth going to? Like, should I go? Should I do this? And we believe that we have heightened our clinical, our business aspect, and just every part of our business is elevated every time we come. And so we just can't encourage it enough. It is something you should take the time to do, invest in your business, and come to the Owner Summit, because it really is a game changer.
Yeah, it's also a really good time. Just having so much fun, the events at both the nights, and the food's been good. I mean, just all of it. It's just a really great experience at a really nice place, and they just do it so well. So it is something that you do not want to miss if you are part of AMP and want to come.
Yep, we highly recommend it, and we definitely hope to see you guys next year.